last month, I shared with you guys an unboxing and my initial thoughts on the brand new Airpods Max. Literally, as soon as they went up for pre-order, I ordered a pair of them in green. Did I need them? No. Do I have other headphones that do exactly the same thing? Absolutely. But something told me that I needed to have a pair of Airpods Max. Now that I'm a little more than a month into using them, I fully understand why I splurged. The Max aren't revolutionary like the original Airpods were with wireless earbuds, nor are they as convenient or even a headphone to work out with, yet still I found them to be an excellent addition to the devices that I use to get work done. So now that I'm a month into using the Max, are they worth it? Should you splurge? Should you buy them? Well, let's talk about it. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts 1 month later on the new Airpods Max. My initial thoughts last month were generally very positive for the Max. The sound quality, comfort, battery life, and modern design make these a really great pair of headphones that I can't help but feel like many people are going to love. However, they certainly are not perfect. There are quite a few complaints that I had, like that jaw-dropping $549 price tag, the included smart case, and even the fact that they don't even have a simple power button. However, having used them much more since those last videos, I understand the power button thing a little more. It's one of those things that I sort of learned and eased into. Apple aimed to make the Max a headphone that's always connected and ready to go when you need it. And if you live in an Apple-centric household with many Apple devices, that's where the Max are really truly going to shine. Over the past few weeks that I've had these headphones, I adjusted to using them a lot more than I ever thought that I would. Maybe it's the convenience, maybe it's the performance, maybe I just wanted to change from other headphones, maybe all the above. I am not even sure, but I really do love these things. Speaking of that convenience, like I mentioned, if the majority of your devices are Apple like I have, the Airpods Max may be worth it for you. The fact that they can switch from MacBook to iPhone to Apple TV to iPad and anywhere in between so quickly and seamlessly is truly amazing. You never have to take the headset off of your head to pair them with another device. I think that's part of the reason why I was able to adjust to using the Max as my main pair of headphones so quickly. They take the thought out of the pairing process, and that's one of those things that Apple's just so good at delivering: convenience and the fact that they just work. As far as sound quality goes, the Max delivered big time. These are some of the best sounding pair of headphones that you can buy right now. Of course, you're paying an arm and a leg and possibly a kidney for it, but the sound is very crisp and detailed with a good amount of bass that isn't overwhelming at all. I've heard instruments, background vocals, and more things in songs that I've never heard before on any other pair of headphones. I found that to be a testament to how good the sound quality in the Max really is. The controls here are also super simple to use. There's a digital crown similar to the one found on the Apple Watch to control volume, play, pause, and so on. There's also a button to toggle active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and turning those off completely. Everything is dead simple to control. Additionally, comfort is another one of those things that I really love about the Airpods Max. These are slightly heavier than other headphones out there given the aluminum housing, but you quickly get used to them. They're not super heavy, but compared to all the other lightweight over-the-ear headphones out there, they do feel quite hefty. The ear cups are also magnetically detachable, so they are super easy to snap right off and swap out for another pair or even another color to customize them a bit. Again, another one of those convenience things that takes the thought process out of something that could be a little tricky. The one thing I was really surprised at is that when I edit videos on my MacBook Pro, I often experience some lag while using other wireless headphones, which results in me having to quit the video editor and hop back into it. However, with the Max, I haven't experienced that at all. Maybe it's those H1 chips built in, the fact that they work so well with other Apple devices, I'm not sure, but it solved that problem for me. And that alone is something that is really worth it. I absolutely love the freedom of being able to just edit videos freely with wireless headphones, and the Max are the best performing, most comfortable pair that I've used yet. That alone, to me, it makes them worth it. Despite all of those positives though, I can't help but feel like there should be more here, especially for the price. Like I said before, the AirPods Max, they aren't revolutionary for over-the-ear headphones like the original AirPods were for wireless earbuds. For one, I think they could have integrated a little Apple magic, especially with the charging. I barely use a lightning cable anymore to charge my iPhone, and no doubt in the future, there's going to be a portless iPhone, so I don't know where that leaves lightning connectors. We possibly could have used MagSafe charging here, wireless charging, or even something with a charging case similar to the other AirPods in the lineup. The magic that comes along with the other AirPods, it's kind of lost here, to be honest. That said, battery life is something that I don't have a problem with. It's just the charging method. I feel like there could have been something more here to make it a little more versatile and a little more future-proof. The included smart case is alright. It's nothing special. I've gotten used to it, but I can't help but feel like there could have been so much more here. There could have been something revolutionary with this. Not to mention, these also aren't a pair of headphones that I would work out with or take out, given that they're kind of flashy and not too discreet. That kind of limits their use case here, and maybe if it did have a different case, maybe I would feel more comfortable traveling with them or taking them out, but I guess that's something we're gonna see how that pans out over time. So should you buy the AirPods Max? I think that really depends. The Max are truly amazing headphones that really deliver in sound quality, comfort, and battery life. All the aspects that make for a great headphone, they deliver at, they shine at. However, at the end of the day, it all comes down to how much you want to spend and how you are going to use them. If you're locked into the Apple ecosystem with mostly Apple devices, the Max will deliver so much more and even impress you. If you're using one Apple device like an iPhone, iPad, or a MacBook, that makes things a little more tricky. Sure, these are the most trendy, eye-catching headphones out there and the best of the best that you can get from Apple, but there are so many other brands out there that deliver excellent over-the-ear wireless headphones that perform just as well, if not perform better for a fraction of the cost. There's definitely no shortage of fantastic headphones out there, and if you don't want to spend $549, I made a video a few weeks back of some excellent alternatives to the AirPods Max that aren't as pricey and deliver in their comfort, sound quality, performance, and battery life. It's definitely worth a watch if the price tag of the Max has your jaw dropped onto the floor. Thinking about all those other options now, where does that leave the AirPods Max? Who are they truly for? I would say probably for those with expensive tastes looking to match their outfits with their headphone. You know, these are trendy. These are the best of the best that you can get from Apple. So if that's up your alley, if you want to splurge, these things are placed on a pedestal above many other great headphones out there. So it really depends if you want to spend the money, you know, that's pretty much what they're there for. So if there's one little tidbit, one little piece of information that I could leave with you guys about the AirPods Max if you plan to get them, be sure to be aware of your surroundings. When you have these things on your head, especially if you have the noise cancellation on, they are very, very isolating. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention to what's going on around you. If you have the transparency mode on, even better. It's going to help you when you're out and about. But even if you're just using them as ear warmers to walk around the street, you know, very expensive ear warmers to just keep your ears warm when it's cold outside or something like that, you do have to be wary because these are very, very isolating headphones. They're going to have you locked in pretty much whenever you have them on your head. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!